You wrote the blog, you built the page, you hit publish, and then nothing. No traffic, no clicks, no rankings. You check Google and your competitor who posted something half as good is sitting right there on page 1. Here's the truth nobody told you. The content alone is never enough. What actually determines whether Google ranks you or ignores you is something called on-page SEO, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to do it right. What is on-page SEO? On-page SEO is the process of optimizing your web pages so users and search engines can better understand, trust, and rank your content. On-page SEO is like arranging store shelves so customers in Google can quickly find what they need. Get it right, and you rank. Factor 1 is title tag. The title tag is the most important on-page SEO element. It tells Google what your page is about and appears in search results. Add your main keyword early, keep it under 60 characters, and make it clickable. A strong title can boost rankings and center fast. Factor 2 is content quality. Content quality alone won't rank your page in 2026. The real key is query satisfaction. Your content must match exactly what the user wants, whether it's a guide, definition, or comparison. Helpful content that fully answers search intent will always beat keyword stuffing. Factor 3. Headings plus URL structure. Your headings and URLs play a big role in on-page SEO. Use one clear H1 with your main keyword, then organize content with H2s and H3s. Keep your URL short, clean, and keyword-focused so both Google and users can quickly understand your page. Factor 4 is internal links plus image alt text. 2 on-page SEO factors beginners often ignore are internal links and image alt text. Internal links help Google understand your site structure and connect related content. Image alt text helps search engines understand your images and can bring extra traffic from Google image search. Use compressed WebP or AVIF images with clear descriptive alt text for better SEO performance. Factor 5. Speed plus mobile SEO. Core web vitals are a Google ranking factor, so your website needs to load fast, respond quickly, and stay stable while loading. Mobile optimization is also essential because Google ranks the mobile version of your site first. Check your website in PageSpeed Insights because a low mobile score can hurt your rankings every day. Subscribe to RankFlip SEO and press the bell icon for more SEO videos and ranking tips.